Guys, this is seriously the information I wish somebody would have told me before getting into Facebook advertising. What's going on YouTube? Matt Johnston. Hope you guys are doing well. In this video, I'm going to show you guys how to actually create a profitable Facebook ad campaign as a complete beginner who hasn't had any success with getting conversions for affiliate marketing, for CPA offers, or if you need help generating sales online in general. So I'm going to give you guys a few tips on methods that I wish I would have been taught when I was first building Facebook advertising campaigns. And this is going to save you guys a ton of, headaches, a ton of mistakes that you can avoid when you are building Facebook ad campaigns. So without further ado, let's get on into it. The first thing you guys need to consider is that you should consider targeting international countries outside of the big five. So what I mean by this is the US, Australia, New Zealand, Canada, UK, because guys, most of these countries are either one, very pricey to target and reach, or two, most of the sales and conversions are from people that are actually more experienced with paid advertising and affiliate marketing on Facebook. Because, most successful affiliate marketers have already had the headaches, already had the mistakes made, so they're much better at retargeting and actually getting conversions in the US rather than someone who's a complete beginner that doesn't know exactly how to scale their Facebook campaign, how to actually get that first conversion for their affiliate product or offer that they're promoting. So I recommend targeting international countries outside of the big five. And normally as a complete beginner, you won't have that much budget to spend for affiliate marketing. So targeting international countries is going to be a lot cheaper as well. So, and if you guys don't already know this, with the international countries, you could find offers that convert just as well as the USA that they do in international countries such as, Africa and other countries, big five. So really, do your research when you are finding an affiliate offer to promote. The second thing is starting with a low paying affiliate offer. So as a complete beginner, starting off with a high paying affiliate offer, you're going to need a lot of budget to spend on your campaigns to generate sales. So it's going to be much better to start with a low paying offer. Also, it's going to build more statistical momentum and data for the product that you're selling. You're going to get more information on the customer base you want to target. And then with the low paying affiliate offers, if you collect the data from your audience, you're going to be able to upsell them in the future with those higher paying affiliate offers after you bring in all that data. For example, if you sell like 500 sales with that $2 offer over those 10 sales over that $100 offer, then you're going to have a much higher reach for people to upsell in the future. So low paying offers is definitely the way to go as a complete newbie with no prior experience. The next thing you guys need to consider is looking at variables that convert and scale with what works. So when I do paid advertising for affiliate offers, I really simplify the key components that are working with my affiliate offer. So the steps I recommend for that is creating, tracking, and optimizing. One of the things that help me increase conversions is adding hyperlinks on the ad campaign that I'm promoting. So let's say if you promote like an image, if you add a hyperlink rather than sending them to that page, you could send them to a hyperlink that is trackable, and you'll be able to get a lot more better data by doing that rather than sending them straight to the offer. So hyperlinks are definitely a great way to go if you want to get familiar with your audience. Also, hyperlinks are, people are much more conditioned to click those when they see it as a ad. And also, to create a successful Facebook ad, you want to make sure your ad looks least like an ad in general. That's the thing I noticed with most of my Facebook ads that were successful, that were like home run winners, is they look the least like ads. Okay, most people on Facebook, when they're scrolling through their feed, don't try to sell them, right? Because those are the most likely the things that they skip are the ones that try to sell to them. So yeah, and then the next tip I recommend is having a focused campaign. Way too many beginners get very trigger happy when they are first building a Facebook campaign. They test multiple different placements like on Instagram, right columns, mobile feed, desktop feed, and they don't really see the details that you need to focus on. So what I recommend is, figuring out what works best for you and focusing solely on that detail for your Facebook ad. So let's say you're running an ad for mobile desktop feed, right? Only focus on that and then figure out if that works. If it doesn't, test something else. Like maybe you want to test a tablet, right? So definitely make sure your campaign is well focused. Don't scatter your placements everywhere, and don't have, don't test on multiple different placements. Okay, so you'll be way more organized with your campaigns, and you're gonna see a lot more success when you're solely focused on getting one thing successful rather than multiple different variables at once. And the last tip I recommend is testing tightly with your offer. So the rule of thumb I go by is 5 ads, 2 landing pages, and 2 offers max. You know, I've seen a lot of videos out there on YouTube that try to get you to test, 10 different landing pages and figuring out what works, and then testing multiple different offers and ad sets as well. So you really don't want to have a scattered amount of combinations going around, because with more combinations, you'll need to realize that you're going to have to spend more money with that, along with that. So you need to make your decisions based on what's making you money rather than what your intuition is telling you. Keep in mind that this is business. Don't make decisions just because you think, because guys, you want to keep your marketing as simple and basic as possible, okay? And that's the key. So, and yeah, guys, once you find that winning variable that actually earns you money, the next step you're going to want to do is spend money on what's working, and that's when you're going to be able to scale. So make sure you guys are tracking what's working. And yeah, that's pretty much the tips I wanted to give you for beginners to actually become successful Facebook advertising, because Facebook advertising is only going to get more competitive. There's only going to get more people to, realize that there's money to be made on social media. So, be aware that the competition is only going to go up from here. So again, with Facebook advertising, it's still very well possible to make money as long as you know what you're doing, and as long as you have a strategy when you are building your campaign, right? So hope you guys learned a lot from this video. Please make sure you like, comment, and subscribe for more future videos. Yeah, guys, take care.